Hey there. Imagine this. Every time someone shops on Amazon, you get a cut of the sale. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's called Amazon Associates, and it's one of the easiest ways to start earning money online. Before we dive in, here's the deal. If you're serious about earning money smartly, you need to hit that subscribe button right now. This channel is your one-stop shop for actionable money-making tips, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. All right, ready to learn how to turn clicks into cash? Let's go! What is Amazon Associates? Amazon Associates is an affiliate program where you earn a commission for driving sales to Amazon. You share a unique affiliate link, and when someone buys through it, you get paid. Fun hook. Translation: you're like Amazon's cool middleman, or middlewoman, just pocketing some cash while they do the heavy lifting. Win-win. Pro tip: commission rates vary by product category. Electronics might give you 3%, but beauty or fashion? Up to 10%, pick wisely. Start with a niche, the secret to success. Find a niche. Instead of promoting random stuff, focus on a specific category. Tech gadgets, fitness gear, pet supplies. Pick something you love. Humor angle. Because let's face it, nobody's going to trust your opinion on hiking boots if you've never left your couch. Actionable tip: use tools like Google Trends or Pinterest to see what's trending in your niche. Create content that sells. Now it's time to get creative. Use blogs, YouTube, or social media to promote products with your affiliate links. Write reviews, create tutorials, or share product roundups. Example: picture this, a YouTube video titled Top 5 Kitchen Gadgets You Didn't Know You Needed. People watch, click your links, and boom, you're earning while they chop veggies. Leverage social media. Instagram, TikTok, and even Pinterest are gold mines for affiliate marketing. Post product photos, demo videos, or funny memes with your link in the caption or bio. Engaging hook. Just remember, be subtle. If your feed screams, buy this, buy that, people might unfollow faster than you can say discount. Pro tip: use tools like Bitly to shorten your links. They'll look cleaner and less spammy. Use Amazon's native shopping ads. If you have a website or blog, Amazon's native shopping ads are a game changer. These are customizable ads that display relevant products to your audience. Fun take: it's like magic. Your readers see exactly what they need, and you get paid for making their lives easier. Cue applause. Master seasonal trends. Amazon sales skyrocket during holidays, back-to-school season, and major shopping events like Prime Day. Plan your promotions around these trends. Example: think about it. Who doesn't need gift ideas during the holidays? Be the hero with top 10 gifts for under $50. Track your performance and optimize. Amazon Associates gives you reports showing which links are performing well. Use this data to double down on what's working and ditch what's not. Humor hook. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving the mystery of why nobody's buying that cat tree you keep promoting. And there you have it. 7 smart ways to make money with Amazon Associates. Whether you're a beginner or already dabbling in affiliate marketing, these tips will help you level up your game. Now here's the part you can't miss. If you're not subscribed to this channel, you're leaving money on the table. Seriously, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Smart Money Making Squad. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. Let's start turning those Amazon clicks into cash. Happy earning.